Dancing was the one good thing in my life. I wasn't clever or popular at school, but I could dance. Jackie Elliot lives in a small coastal town in the north of England with his two sons, Tony and Billy. Life is hard for the family. Jackie and Tony are fighting their employers and they are not working. They have no money and Jackie is worried about the future. He is worried about Billy too. 11-year-old Billy Elliot is different from other boys. He is not very clever or good at sport. Then, one day, he discovers ballet dancing. Finally, he has found something that he can do well. But everybody knows that ballet is for girls, not boys. Will Billy continue to dance, or will Jackie and Tony stop him? Billy Elliot is a film by Stephen Daldry, starring Jamie Bell as Billy, Gary Lewis as his father, and Julie Walters as Mrs. Wilkinson. The film was written by Lee Hall and then rewritten as a book by Melvin Burgess. The story begins in 1984 when many British workers were fighting the government. Margaret Thatcher's government wanted to close a lot of coal mines in England, Wales and Scotland. The miners wanted to keep their jobs. Some went on strike and refused to work. Other workers continued to do their jobs. The government had to send the police to protect them. The strike continued for a long time before everybody went back to work. But a few years later, nearly all the coal mines in the UK were closed and thousands of workers lost their jobs. Billy Elliot was a very successful film in many countries across the world. It is now also a